Hello, guys. Welcome back to my on Turing Machine. In this, uh, in this video, design a Turing machine to accept a power n, b power n, c power n such that n greater than equal to 0. So, what does it mean in this program? So, which accept a power n and b power n and c power n. That means number of a and number of b and number of c should be equal. Suppose n is equal to 2, what will be our string? A, b, b and c, c. I think hope you understand this language. Let us jump into the logic, how to design this. Before designing a transition diagram, try to understand the logic. The logic is like this. So first you have to read the first A and you have to change to the capital A, right? So then keep moving on right side to search the first right side B. In this case here it is that you have to change it. Again keep searching again the one more C on right hand side. This is the first C. Then again keep moving to the left and keep searching the second A of this, that will I can make it capital A, and move on to the right side. Then you have to first second B of that string change to the capital C. Again there is one more C on right hand side, you change to C. So every 1A keep reading it, 1B should have to be match it, and again similar to C. So alternately you can changing like this. We'll keep designing a Turing machine. Let us move to the straight away to the transition diagram of this problem. Right. So look at that. This is the diagram, transition diagram. We'll take one of the string here. In this string it is, as I have explained in the previous slide, it will be same. There are 2 A's, 2 B's and 2 C's there. I'll explain this with this diagram, with this string against this diagram, how to design that. Keep listening it and see that, carefully watch that. I'll be explaining through the annotated. So first you have to start with delta. Usually the delta will be starting at the beginning of the given string. You have just to change to one state to the other state. Keep that delta. Replace that delta by delta, moving one step to the right. Now we are at the heading at the string. What is that string? So it is heading the pointed to the first character of that string, that is small a. So as per our logic, you change that A to capital A. Now you have change that. Read that small a and replace that small a by capital A and move one step to the right. This is the direction. Now we are at this place. But as per our logic, immediately don't change the second A with the capital letter. So you should keep searching the first B of the right side. That means you can move this A using this transition. Move one step to the right. You get the first on right hand side. Read that B, change to the capital B, right, and move one step to the right. Now we are at this place. Again immediately don't change the second B with the capital. You have to search the, as per our logic, you have to search the first C up in that string. So how do you jump to the next character? They have to use this configuration. read that small b, replace that small b by small b itself, move one step to the right. Move one step to the right. Okay, then the small c as get it, you change that c by small, read small c, change it to the capital C, move one step to the right. Now by that time you are at this place. You are at this place. Okay, now once changing left, so that means you are this place. The pointer is heading to the B. Now state is Q4. So what is the input is here? B. That means you have to keep searching the next TAs are in the string. Read the small b using this. Move one step to the right. Still I wanted to check one more A's are on the left side. Read that small a. Move one step to the left. That means you are at this place. Still you are at key 4 only. Read this. So what is the next input is here? Capital A. Read that capital A. Read that capital A. Read that capital A. Okay. Move one step to the right. Read that capital A. Using this, move one step to the right. Now you are at this place. I'll change the color. In this state Q1, the pointer is pointed to the small a. Again, read that small a, replace by capital A, move one step to the right. Read that, change it, move one step to the right. Now we are at this place. Right. Immediately that is a capital B. Read it, already change it using this configuration. Using this configuration. Move one step to the right. Read the capital B, replace by capital B, move one step to the right. Now we are at this place. Okay. Anyway, second B of that string, change that to the capital B. Change that to the capital B. Move one step to the right. Right. But in that string, capital C is there. Using this configuration, move one step to the right. Read that C, change that C by capital C and move one step to the right. Now we are at this place. Using this configuration, change that C, right, by capital C, move one step to the left. This indicate left, right? So move one step to the left. Now you are at this place. But you have stayed at Q4. Keep reading. This is the what is the input is here? The capital C. Read that capital C using this configuration. Move one step to the left. Again you come back. That is capital B using this configuration. Keep on reading all the B's. This is a loop. Again move one step to the right, left. But once you get this capital A, replace that capital A, move one step to the right. Move one step to using this configuration. Again you have to, I'll change the color. Now we are at moving one step to the right. This place, you are at this place, but you are at on that place, on that situation you are at Q1 state. Again what is the input is here? Input is B. Change that B, move one step to the right. Change that B by capital B. Because of this configuration, move one step to the right. Now you are moved to this place. What is the input is here? Input is again capital B. Take that, read that B, change by capital B, move one step to the right. Now we are at this place. What is the input? C, capital C. Read that capital C, replace by capital C, move one step to the right. Now we are at this place. Read the capital C, capital C, replace by capital C, move one step to the right. Now we are at this place. There is no more C's and B's on the input tape. What is the TR input? Input is delta. Read the delta. Move on. You are not moving at any place. That S indicate is stop. What is that state at that time? It is a HA is accepted. Accepted. But I haven't used this transition. When do you get this transition? When n is equal to 0, so you will get only input is having delta. Read the delta, straight away reach to the accepting state. That's the cases. In that case you are using this transition, right? Delta has come, will go this way. I hope you understand this concept. So if you have any doubt, please you have to comment in the comment box. So thank you.